Reverend Canon Chris, one of the things that I found both in research and just in my kind of work with young people is that depression is such a pervasive issue. I mean, it's a challenging one. It's hurting our young people. Do you find the same thing in your context? And if so, how have you been dealing with it? How have you been responding to the pervasiveness of depression? And do you have a sense of why it is right now?
For us, in terms of pastoral things that we deal with the young people that come to us, that's the number one thing. Young people's mental health in the UK feels like it's more on the edge than it's ever been. Feels like resilience amongst young people is really, really low, and just the reality of mental health is huge. So for us, it's meant a number of things. One is we went to find some funding for a youth counsellor. So we had somebody that young people could talk to. Statutory systems are really hard as well at the moment. The children and adolescent mental health units in towns are absolutely overwhelmed. For referral from a doctor to going to see them can be about 15 months in the UK.
Wow.
And so that can lead young people to escalate things so they get seen quicker. And the issues are legion with young people in terms of these things. I think for us as a church, it's beyond question that we must embrace young people with their mental health issues. Mm-hmm. That we must say that here is a safe place for you to be yourself. Mm-hmm. Here is a safe place for you to bring all the complexity of how you are and what's going on inside your head. You bring it here and you'll be safe. And we're not just going to try and fix you. Yeah. We're not just going to try and say that, you really, what we want is to sort you out so you can do these things. You come as you are, because Jesus Christ is your hope. Yeah. But that's not just going to be easy, and there's no magic fixes. But belonging to this group of people, belonging to this community who will love you and will care for you and will be there for you, this is the thing where we'll start on offering you. And then I think we get into, then you get into the huge weaving of the tapestry that then needs to be offered to a young person around their mental health issues. Is it about prayer? Yeah, it's about prayer. Is it about belonging? Yeah, it's about belonging. Is it having someone to talk to? Yeah, it's about that. Is it about medication? Yes, sometimes it is. Is it about residential care? Yes, for some of our young people, sometimes it's been that too. But always, 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 it is holding out hope for these young people that even though it might be that they never ever walk without a limp, right. Even though it might be that this will always be a thing for them, but that the person and work of Jesus Christ, right. And the affecting work of the Spirit in their life offers the fact that there is hope for them. There is hope for them that this stuff will not always be the biggest thing that defines them. Right. And so, we do this. We do this week by week. We do this day by day. I've got, there are young people whose lives have been absolutely ravaged by mental health issues. And as a church, we will continue to say to them, you are absolutely loved as you are. And Jesus Christ offers you hope that this thing that feels like it is going to be the thing that is the most determinative thing for your life, and you will always, always have it and never be free from it. That in Jesus Christ there is hope, that you will have the freedom that he came to bring you.